Good morning, still a cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I'm actually doing a pour on a 40 by 50 canvas, but it's actually a test pour for my son, who, believe it or not, only wants yellow and black, and I am going to add a bit of grey. He just wanted yellow and black. So I thought, what on earth can I do with that? As you know, I'm a woman of plenty of colour. So the yellow, he didn't want the real bright banana-y yellow, so I have mixed up wicker. It's called wicker. And I have put quite a good dash of my pearl mist, which is this one, which gives it an iridescent, makes it really nice and shiny, shimmery. So I'm going to use this as my base because he wants it bright. So I have two lots here. I had one left from yesterday, so I'm going to pour this over my canvas and just put a base coat on first. So he still might use this particular piece for a smaller wall somewhere, but he's looking for a really big, sort of a long one he wants in his hall, and he just wants it these colours. So we'll see what we can create, or I will see what I can create for him. But interesting, only very few colours, so just spread it out. I'll speed this bit up for you. Okay, this colour's looking very transparent, so probably would have been beneficial for me to actually coat the whole canvas just in a coat of this with that before I added pouring media. I'm not going to worry about it too much today because I really want to see if these colours are going to work, how I'm going to yeah, anyway, I'm going to just try it and we'll see. So I've got just the black in here, and I added a little bit of my in this particular one, because it was black, I added some dragonfly glaze, so it'll get a really shimmery effect in the paint. It doesn't really matter what colour you use of the dragonfly glaze when you're doing putting it in the paint as I'm putting it in. So that's the black. Now I made up this grey myself. I was looking for my Amsterdam Payne's grey, but I couldn't find it, so maybe I've used it, so I was going to just put some grey in as well. I hope this is not too much, but This is pretty weird, me doing just 3 colours, literally 3 colours. So let's see how we go. See how we go. I will try and finish off coating, trying to cover this canvas up that's showing through, if the actual piece of art turns out nice. So let me think about this. I might just give it a whiz over with my heat gun. Okay, now thinking. Try, I might go this way first. Oh, that's turned out probably better than I expected. It's quite striking, isn't it? Wow. Well, I like that when it went over the yellow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It looks nice from this position too. It's very nice from this position. Wow. There you go. My son has good taste. That looks pretty good. Just those few colours together. Very striking. I kind of like this bit here where it went and you know, you could see the other of the yellow underneath it, but I know that he will actually like that. That is so standy out-ish. That's pretty cool. I will send a photo to him and see if he actually wants this piece, this particular piece saved for somewhere, and then I will finish off my sides. And if he doesn't want this particular piece, I will still finish it off anyway, because I think it's quite striking. I might yeah, it's very striking with that background with just very simple colours. Let me know what you think. I mean, I know it's not everybody's cup of tea, but modern decor now, like he has got a lot of grey, and then he's got his pops of yellow as his colour, and yellow and black. So there you go. It all depends what people's decor or what they want. So sometimes I've just got to do as I'm told. So take care, you lovely people, and I will see you back here tomorrow, hopefully. So bye for now.
I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know it could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.